Hello again everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm in the Redditch district of Headless Cross. Lucy board. Headless Cross was first recorded as Headley in 1275, so it's been here for quite a while. In the 19th century there was 3 needle factories, adding to Redditch's reputation as a global needle manufacturing hub. Not Redditch is most famous for making needles. And now it's this little island. It's officially merged into Redditch Urban District in 1875 and later became part of Redditch New Town in the mid-60s. And the heavy metal fans of Black Sabbath will know that one of the albums is called Headless Cross. The album was released in the late 80s, about 1989. Would you believe it, in this little, it's almost a village really, there's 5 pubs and a social club. So looking down that way you've got the Rockland Social, and then straight on you've got the 7 Stars over in that direction. About half a mile down there you've got the park. We've just passed Vaughan's, which is a pub and tapas bar. And dead ahead we've got the Hart, which used to be called the White Hart up until 2022 when it was refurbished. And directly opposite the Hart we've got the Gatehangs Well. Also there's 2 Indians. We've just passed Redditch Spice over there, and just round the corner down Mason Road we have the essence of Bengal, which is just there. Going back to the heavy metal theme, down Birchfield Road down there is the home of John Bonham, the Led Zeppelin drummer. Down in the distance, right on the horizon there, you can just make out the Malvern Hills. I can smell the food wafting up from the Indian. It smells delightful. Got a chip shop. There's a barber's there. I think there's a hairdressing salon just down here. And up here is the Gatehangs Well. Yeah, how often do you see that pub on one side of the road and one on the other? Pizza, Indian takeaway, another barber's, a vape shop, bookies, and a hair salon. So I'm here for the have a look at the bowling green. Just poking up there is the water tower, which is the highest point in Redditch. It's quite famous. What being the water tower? Would you believe it? Okay, so coming down to the Hart at Headless Cross Crown Green Bowling Club. Side entrance to the pub, beer garden. There's been a bowling club on this site since 1867. It's quite possibly the oldest sports club in Redditch. And there are games on here every day of the week, league games, except Monday. Here we are at the bowling green with the water tower. Just gonna take a look up to the side of the green. There's a match on at the moment. The home bowlers, the white tops. Quite a big green, crowned in the centre. Little clubhouse. Looks like there's allotments over there. Some runner beans, as I did mention in one of my previous videos. I think from the windmill. So they had a nice allotment. Okay, guys, if you are enjoying my content and documenting the bowling greens of the Midlands when I was travelling around, and please do subscribe, give it a thumbs up, hit the notification bell to be first to hear of any new content. And until the next time, see you later.